Greetings, Marshmallow Man here. In today's smartphone world, phone makers are constantly trying to push the boundaries of what can or cannot be done on a smartphone. One of it is the ability to maximize a phone's screen size without having to resort to gigantic television-sized devices. Thus, the controversial notch was born. However, one device stands to differentiate itself from its other notched competitors. That device is the Huawei Nova 4. The Huawei Nova 4 touts a 6.4-inch LCD full-view display with an 86.3% screen-to-body ratio. To negate the controversial notch, Huawei has implemented an in-screen camera, also known as the punch-hole camera. It also packs in a triple camera setup, which include a 16-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 20-megapixel main lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The Nova 4 also rocks the Kirin 970 chipset, 8 gigs of RAM, as well as 128 gigs of internal storage. Other features include an IR blaster, USB Type-C, and the headphone jack. Included together with the Nova 4 is a TPU case, a SIM ejector tool, warranty card, and a pair of earphones, which Huawei was generous enough to provide. That is all for our quick glance at the Huawei Nova 4. Till we meet again, friends.